Dewalt nail gun. This is a DCN692. Oh. That's a new sound. Oh, that's on there tight. I don't think that was open before. 2016. This doesn't look like it's been used very much. This thing's never been opened. Somebody's kept this good. Never had to even unjam a nail by the looks of it. Thought there was going to be a broken spring, but it's not. It's turning. Try again. No. This may be a motor problem. Right, to go deeper. If you've ever worked in these guns, you know to take care with this bloody spring clip. I think it's caught everybody's fingers by now. Sounds okay. Definitely doesn't want to turn. Yeah, something badly wrong there. Right, she wants to run, the motor's starting, but then stopping again. So she wants to go. So there's a wee pickup inside of here for these wires. So take off this plate. And we'll see what this wee magnetic pickup's like. Sometimes it can be crammed with dirt. It interferes then with the Hall effect sensors. There's something on there. It's even more strange. She does run, but now she's making a funny sound. I wonder if one of them windings is actually burnt up. Hold on, there's heat here too. Oh hell. Yep. Yeah, that motor's gone. And wires are hot as hell. Controller Actually got a wee bit warm too. Motor's cool. So, because them wires are getting so hot, this motor's actually drawing way too much current. So more than likely, there's shorted something inside the field that's actually shorted the stator. Some of the wires are touching, shorting out. Could be broken wires up in here, or there could be just too high resistance in the windings. Either way, the motor's bad. It has to be replaced. That's it. One motor. One second-hand motor. This is one that was traded in and stripped for parts. Should be okay. This wee bar here just keeps it clamped down so that the motor can't come loose. Now, try this one final time. Now, spot on. New motor. That's what she needed. That like and follow at the bottom, lads. Cheers for watching.